Hi, today I'm going to show you how to perform 4 flexibility assessments: the YMCA Sit and Reach test, the Canadian Trunk Forward Flexion test, the Chair Sit and Reach test, and the Thomas test. Before any assessment, perform a 5 minutes aerobic warm-up. You can walk, jog, or perform dynamic stretching exercises. The first assessment is the YMCA Sit and Reach test. It helps to measure the flexibility on the hamstring and lower back. All you need for this assessment is to place a yardstick on the floor and place a strip of tape on the 15 inches mark. Sit with the yardstick between the legs. Place feet on the tape edge. Your heels should touch the edge of the tape line and be about 10 to 12 inches apart. Overlap your fingers, keep hands parallel, and don't lead with one hand. Slowly reach forward with both hands as far as possible. Exhale and drop the head between the arms when reaching. Hold the position for 2 seconds. The score is measured in inches and it is the most distant point reached with the fingers. Perform the test 2 times and use the best score. Then compare your results depending on your gender and your age with this table. With my results, I was classified as well below average. The Canadian Trunk Forward Flexion test measures the hamstring and lower back flexibility. Take off your shoes, the sole of your feet flat against the box, legs extended, do not lock it or flex your knees, keep it normally extended, back straight, overlap your fingertips, and set the box at 23 centimeters. Reach forward, exhale as you reach, and drop the head between the arms. Hold the position for 2 seconds. Perform the test twice and use the best score. It is measured in centimeters. Subtract 3 centimeters from each value on the table and get your classification. Depending on my score, my gender, and my age, I was classified as good. The Chair Sit and Reach test is recommended for older population. All you need is a chair of 17 inches height and place it against the wall. You don't need to remove your shoes. Extend one leg with your ankle dorsiflexed, the other leg flat on the floor, and head in normal alignment. Exhale when reaching forward and hold the position for 2 seconds. You need someone to help you to hold the ruler and assist you with the scoring. You will measure the space in inches and it will be between your big toe and your fingertips. If your fingers go past the big toe, it will be a positive score. But if you're not able to pass your big toe, it will be a negative score. Measure both legs. This test also measures the hamstring and lower back flexibility. The Thomas test measures the flexibility on your hip flexors. Lie flat on a mat and bring the leg that is not being tested toward your chest. If the leg that is being tested remains in the ground, your hip flexors are flexible. If it doesn't, the hip flexors are not flexible. Repeat the same procedure with the other leg and record if the legs are flexible or inflexible. As you can see on the videos, none of my legs remain on the floor, so it means that in both of my legs I'm inflexible.